I'm Aunty Daphne Millward, but my family connections are Clements, Charles, Atkinson, Cooper. So our mob's a very large mob, and we are from Yorta country, which is northern Victoria. I would like to acknowledge that the traditional custodians of the land we're on today, and I believe that we're on the land of the Kulin Nation, and pay respect to their elders past, present and emerging. I think, the wider community needs to um, make an effort, I suppose, to learn more about Aboriginal people and culture. After all, our ancestors were the first Australians, were the first peoples of this country. And there are all sorts of different ways that can be done. Joining your local reconciliation action group. Also, if you have children at school, uh, perhaps you could ask the principals to invite Aboriginal people in to talk about history and culture. Other ways, attend some of our activities, particularly during our NAIDOC week, where some of our organisations are open. So visitors can come and find out what that organisation is offering to our community, like the health service, the legal service. Or you can volunteer, because we have volunteers who work in our food pantry. And if you're having an event, invite someone in to do an acknowledgement and a smoking ceremony. Smoking ceremony is very important to us. It just, take more interest, become more involved in what's happening around you in relation to Indigenous affairs.